Good morning, my dear students. Welcome you all to this session. Today's class, we are going to start our new topic, decimal number system. Yes, you can take page number 261 in your NCERT textbook. Actually, in this, we have to convert a number to a exponent form, right? Usually, we'll be doing it. This, we are going to do some expansion and some few steps we have to follow in this problem. So, you can take page number 261, okay? I hope you all have taken page number 261, children. Okay, you can see decimal number system. In that, what it is given? First, they have given the expanded form. Yes. So, I am going to teach you how we are going to do the expanded form. Okay. So, if this number is given, how you will expand it, children? Usually, you will write 5 into 1000 plus 4 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 8 into 1. Yes. Or else you will expand like this, 5000 plus 400 plus 70 plus 8. Yes, you will either expand like this or you will expand like this. Okay, there are two ways to expand it. So first, they also have done the same thing in that given example. But what we are writing now, after this 5 into 10 power 3, because how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. Actually 10 is multiplied 3 times here. So 5 into 10 power 3 plus 4 into 10 power 2, because 2 zeros are there, plus 7 into 10 power 1, because 10 is only 1, then plus 8, okay, or 8 into 1, or you can write 8 into 10 power 0, because any number power 0 is 1. So instead of 1 you can write 10 power 0. Why I am writing 10 power 0 means here 10 power 3, 10 power 2, 10 power 1, 10 power 0. That's why I am writing 10 power. Okay, any number power 0 is 1. That's why instead of this 1 I am writing 10 power 0. So this is what your expanded form. Okay, so when whatever number it is given, you can write the expanded form like this. So next I'll teach you from the example problem. Okay, next, see in this example we are going to learn. Let us look at the expansion of 47,561. We have already know how we will expand it. 5 into 10,000 plus 7 into 1000 plus 5 into 100 plus 6 into 10 plus 1. What next, what step you should do? 4 into 10 power 4, because how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. About 10 power 4 plus 7 into 10 power 3 plus 5 into 10 square plus 6 into 10 power 1. Next, 1 into 10 power 0. Why 10 power 0? Because no number is there. So 1 into 1 only you write it. Instead of 1 I am writing 1 into 10 power 0. So they have given the explanation for, see this. For 10,000, 10 power 4 you can write it. For 1000, 10 power 3 you can write it. For 100 you can write 10 square. For 10 you can write 10 power 1. For 1 you can write 10 power 0. Okay, next problem. 4,278. So what you will do? 1 into 1 lakh plus 0 into 10,000. Yes, because 0 is there. Next, 4 into 1,000 plus 2 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 8 into 1. So 1 into 10 power 5. Correct? Plus 0 into 10 power 4 plus 4 into 10 power 3 plus 2 into 10 square plus 7 into 10 power 1 plus 8 into 10 power 0. Don't forget to put this 0, children. So now you remove this 0 into 10 power 4 is nothing but 0. So you don't want to include this. 1 into 10 power 5 plus 4. Yes, next see 0 you don't want to include, children. So I am writing after this 1 into 10 power 5, I am directly writing 4 into 10 power 3 plus 2 into 10 square plus 7 into 10 power 1 plus 8 into 10 power 0. So you can find this powers are decreasing. 10 power 5, 10 power 4, 10 power 3, 10 power 2, 10 power 1, 10 power 0. So likewise only it will be like decreasing. It will be in decreasing format. Understood? This topic we are going to discuss expressing large numbers in the standard form. Okay, standard form means what na? Short form. Like exponents, you are going to represent a big numbers. So that is the concept here when larger numbers are given. I already told you in the beginning of this chapter that when large numbers are there, it is very difficult for us to pronounce it. So for those cases, we will be using this exponential form where you can write this larger number as like it looks like small. Okay, so it will be more convenient for us to do the calculation. See, sun is located this much meter. So what is very large number, right? We can't pronounce it from the center of our Milky Way galaxy. So can we pronounce this? Can we say this word? No. So what we'll do, we will use the exponent and we will make that into a standard form. So it will be more convenient for us to do the calculation. Number of stars in our galaxy. So this much stars are there for approximately. So can we say this ones, tens, hundreds? It's very difficult, right? So we'll use this standard form for our calculation. I'll teach you how to write the standard form. Okay. Now I am going to teach you how to write the standard form. 4872. If this is a number, instead of writing very like this, you can write in a standard form by after the first digit you should keep a decimal point. 4.872 into 1000, because after decimal point how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. Appa 3 zeros you should keep it. Okay, listen. First what you should do na, after a number you should keep a decimal point. After that how many digits are there in the decimal part you should count it. 1, 2, 3. Appo into 1000. 3 zeros should come. So this how you will write in standard form. 4.872 into 10 cube. So this is what the standard form for this number. Okay, so when they ask you to write the standard form, this is the only possible way to write a standard form. Okay, now I'll one more method, one simple things we'll do. 38, how you will write in standard form? 3.8 into 10, because you have to keep a decimal point after a digit. How many digits are there after decimal point? Only one. Upper into 10. So 3.8 into 10 power 1 is your standard form. Okay. Next, 493. How we will write? 4.93 into 10 100. 10 100. So 1 to 100. So 4.93 into 10 square is your standard form. Okay, so for every numbers we can do the standard form like this. Okay, and it's very easy, and many examples are given for this numbers. Okay, for example, okay, now this is one big number. So what you will do, as soon as this over, you should keep a decimal point. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Into how many zeros you should put? 12 zeros. Okay, so after one digit I have written all the decimal numbers into that much zeros. So how we will write? 4.0000 means nothing but 4 only, no? Yes, because after the decimal point what all zeros are coming, it is meaningless. So what you should write? 4.000 something is 4 only into 10 power 12 because into 10 power 12 zeros are there, so 10 power 12. So this is how you should write it. Okay, so this is very easy, but you don't get confused with this things. Okay, next one more example I'll give you. 59760000. Okay, what you will do? First, what you will do, children? 5.9760000. How many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now into 10 into how many zeros you should put? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yes, because why I am doing this? After decimal point 8 digits are there, so I am writing into 8 digits. So now 5.976. I don't want to include the zeros. Why? I told you in the decimal point whatever the zeros which is given the right side has meaningless. So 5.976 into 10 power 8 because 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 into 10 power 8 is your answer. Understood? It's very easy. See, instead of writing all like this, we can easily write directly. Okay, see, now listen. After 4 you will keep decimal point, then how many what are digits you will write? 9 7 3 4 4. Okay, if you keep the decimal point here, how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Appa into 10 power 11. Okay, write this digit, children. 4 point, you write all the digits, don't write the zeros. Into 10 power, you count all the digits after the decimal point and write 10 power something. Okay, first you write the first number and keep a decimal point, and remaining all you count it and write 10 power something, and don't include the zero, write this number alone. This is how you can directly write the problem instead of doing like this, because if you do like this you might get confusions. So this will be more easier when compared to the previous one. Okay, this is your example number 13. Okay, express the following numbers in standard form. Standard form means, you know, right, this big numbers will be there that we have to shrink and we have to write in the form of exponents. Okay, now what you will do, you have to keep the decimal point after this number. 9853 into 1000. Why 1000? Because listen, this decimal point coming here, upper 3 digits is going. Okay, so into 1000, 3 digits. Now when you're writing 5.9853 into 10 cube is your answer. Because listen, children, if this decimal point is going here, so 3 digits are there, so into 1000. Okay, so 5.9853 into 1000, so 5.9853 into 10 cube. Okay, now next question, what you will write? 6.5950 into 10 100 1000 10,000. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Yes, so now 6.595, you don't want to include the 0, into 10 power 4. Okay, so 6.595 into 10 power 4. Okay, next here, next comes the third problem. 3.43000 into 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So how you will write? 3.43 into 10 power 6. Okay, because 3.430000, 6 digits are there, so 3.43 into 10 power 6. Now 7.004000000 into 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 zeros I have inserted. Okay, 10 zeros I have inserted. So answer is 7.004 into 10 power 10. Okay, 7.004 into 10 power 4. See, don't subtract, you should add this 0, because this 0 is in the right side. Zeros which come in, this 0 is in the left side. If this zeros comes in the right side only, you should neglect that. Upper 7.004 into 10 power 10 is your answer. Understood? This is example 13. Okay. Next we are going to go with the exercise problem, exercise 13.3. First problem. Write the following numbers in the expanded form. Yes, do you remember the expanded form, right? In that, the first question is 279404, which means 2,79,407. So usually how we will expand it? 2,0,0,0,0 plus 7,0,0,0,0 plus 9,0,0,0 plus 4,0,0 plus 0 plus 4. Yes, this is how you will expand it usually. But this expansion is not acceptable now. Right? You have to expand them like usually you will do, right, that into 10 power, like that you should do it. Okay, so how you will write? 2 into 1 lakh. Okay, 2 into 1 lakh plus 7 into 10,000 plus 9 into 1,000 plus 4 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 4 into 1. Yes, is this correct? Yeah. Now you should do 2 into 10 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 power 5 plus 7 into 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 power 4 plus 9 into 1, 2, 3. 10 power 3 plus 4 into 10 power 2 plus 0 into 10 power 1 plus 4 into 10 power 0. Yes. Now this 0 into 10 power 1, you don't want to write it. Yes, I told you, 0 into something is 0 only. So 2 into 10 power 5 plus 7 into 10 power 4 plus 9 into 10 power 3 plus 4 into 10 square plus 4 into 10 power 0. Check whether 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, it got reduced here, 0. So whether the answer is given in the decreasing order or not, that alone you can check it. Okay. This is your second problem in that subdivision. So 3006194. Yes, so it is actually 30,06,194. So usually how you will expand it? 300,000 plus 0 plus 0 plus 6000 plus 100 plus 90 plus 4. Yes, this is how you will expand it, right? Next, what you will do? 3 into 6 zeros you should write, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 into 6 zeros. Yes, plus 0 into 5 zeros plus 0 into 4 zeros plus 6 into 3 zeros plus 1 into 2 zeros plus 9 into 1 0 plus 4 into 1. Yes, this is how you will expand it. Now 3 into 10 power 6 plus 0 into 10 power 5 plus 0 into 10 power 4 plus 6 into 10 power 3 plus 1 into 10 power 2 plus 9 into 10 power 1 plus 4 into 10 power 0. Don't forget to put this 10 power 0. Now what you will do? You don't want this 0 into 10 power 5 and 0 into 10 power 4, because both are 0. Answer is 0, so you don't want to write it. 3 into 10 power 6 plus 6 into 10 power 3 plus 1 into 10 square plus 9 into 10 power 1 plus 4 into 10 power 0. 10 into 3 into 10 power 6, 6 into 10 power 3, 1 into 10 power 2 plus 9 into 10 power 1 plus 4 into 10 power 0. So this is what your expanded form for this question. Next, what is your third subdivision? Third subdivision question is 2806196. 2806196. Now, as usual, expanding 2000000. 6 zeros is there. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, plus 8 5 zeros are there. Plus 0 plus 6 into 3 zeros plus 1 into 2 zeros plus 9 into 0 plus 6. Okay, now 2 into 6 zeros plus 8 into 5 zeros plus 0 into 4 zeros plus 6 into 3 zeros plus 1 into 2 zeros plus 9 into 1 0 plus 6 into 1. Okay, now as usual, like expanded. See, don't stop till this. You should write the in terms of exponents only, then it is correct. Okay, 2 into 10 power 6 plus 8 into 10 power 5 plus 0 into 10 power 4 plus 6 into 10 power 3 plus 1 into 10 square plus 9 into 10 power 1 plus 6 into 10 power 0. So you want to neglect this 0, right? You should neglect this 0. So what you will do, 2 into 10 power 6 plus 8 into 10 power 5 plus 6 into 10 cube plus 1 into 10 square plus 9 into 10 power 1 plus 6 into 10 power 0. So this is what your expanded form for this number. Okay, next the remaining two more problems is there, right? That is your homework. That is 1,20,790 and 20,068. This is one more problem. That two problems are your homework. Okay, today's class we have discussed exercise 13.3 first problem and how to write the standard form and expanded form using the given problems, and I have given few problems as homework. I hope you all understood, children. Thank you.